Want to kickstart your day with more energy and focus? Here are 5 simple tips to make your mornings more productive. Tip 1. Plan ahead. Before going to bed, make a quick to-do list for the next day. This will give you a clear focus on what to tackle first in the morning. Tip 2. Wake up early. Giving yourself extra time in the morning creates a calmer atmosphere and lets you ease into your day without rushing. Tip 3. Hydrate and move. Start your morning with a glass of water and some light movement, like stretching or a short walk, to get your body energized. Tip 4. Avoid distractions. Stay off social media and emails in the first hour of your morning. Instead, focus on mindfulness, reading, or a quiet activity. Tip 5. Fuel your body. A nutritious breakfast will keep your energy levels up and your mind sharp throughout the day. An organized workspace keeps you focused and lessens distractions, allowing you to work efficiently. Try these tips to make your mornings more productive and set the tone for a successful day.